Hey guys, Travel Center, and today we're going to take a look at the starter kit of the Philips Hue light bulbs. Now this is the white edition, so there's no colors or anything. It's just more of a yellow, a white, and a light blue. So we'll go ahead and take a look on inside the box. So as soon as you open it up, you're introduced with Hue personal wireless lighting. Now these are 840 lumens, so which is pretty bright. So inside the box you get two individual light bulbs, the white light bulbs. You get your you get a bridge, which has a LAN port and a power port. You get your power adapter, and then you get the little thingy that plugs into the power adapter. You get an Ethernet cable, and you have some little setup instructions. And that's basically about it. So just a little bit more information on the Philips Hue. The bridge, if you're wanting to add more bulbs, you can add any kind of bulb you want. I'll have that link down in the description to Philips' website. But this will hold up to, for it to run smoothly, it will hold up to 50 bulbs, but it can actually do like 63. So yeah, that's pretty cool about that. So you can add. They have like recessed lighting bulbs. They have the white bulbs. They have the colored bulbs. I mean, they have a whole, and it's not just light bulbs. Like now they have lamps. They have a lamp. They have like a thing that goes on the ceiling. A light that goes on the ceiling, but it's actually in a casing. Yeah, so they're really expanding out now, and it looks really cool. Really simple stuff, but really in a smart home design. It's really great. Yeah. So hey guys, again, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, please comment down below in the comment section. Like this video, and to see more tech like this, and yeah, just subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.